Are you finding it hard to prepare for December 2020 exam? Do you feel the syllabus is very vast? Do you feel there are too many subjects, too many concepts? How do I complete all of this and face the December exam with confidence? Do you have all these questions? If you have these questions, then I have a solution for you. Before I tell about the solution to make sure that you do very well in December exam, I will tell you a little bit about one small book which we had when I was studying company secretary course. So this book is published by the institute itself. It is called Guide to Company Secretaryship Study and Examination. Just look at this one small book. So this book cost about 10 rupees back then. So this book used to have things like what is covered in each of the subjects, of course in that syllabus which we had, how to approach the studies, what are the study inputs we need, what are the books we need to study, what are the golden rules of writing the exam, what is expected by ICSI. All this was there in this one small book. And this book is not being published now by ICSI. But this book really helped me to do very well in the exam. Like this book, I have analyzed many study techniques and many strategies for you to do well in the exam. So with this study technique and strategy which I have designed, your study will be very easy. That means you don't have to worry about completing big fat books, watching multiple YouTube videos, watching lot of video classes. All this you can do in a very efficient manner with my system. This is the Super Study Techniques formula, and I am going to teach you how you can do this in an easy manner. So September 19th and 20th, that is the weekend, we are going to be having a 2-day workshop where it will be 4 sessions. That is 2 sessions on Saturday, 2 sessions on Sunday. It won't be very long sessions, don't worry. But end of these 4 sessions, your efficiency of studies would have doubled. And this has already been proven where hundreds of my students have adopted this and cleared CS Foundation, CS Executive and also CS Professional. So I want you also to be part of this program. So what will be in this weekend program is basically to make sure that your efficiency is double, and when you have around 3 months for exam, you will feel you have 6 months for exam. And all this can be done with simple techniques, and I'll be there to handhold you and support you till the day of the exam. See, now there are a lot of YouTube videos, there are a lot of Telegram groups, there is so much information which is coming your way. Yes? But then I felt that there should be one proper mentoring and one proper guidance till the day of exam. That is why I have planned this weekend program where you will be having the workshop Saturday and Sunday, where end of the Saturday, Sunday, you will be confident and your efficiency of study will be double and you will be able to do very well in the December 2020 exam. So what will be in this 2 days program? It's very simple. One session will be completely about mindset, how you can train your mind of studying for 3 months till December and making sure that the 3 months make you feel like you're having 6 months, and what are the techniques to do. Then after that, I'll be giving you in the second session specifically how to score 60 plus marks in law subjects and what are the techniques you should follow. Then the third session will be how to present the answers in the exam. Not only I'm going to tell you simply some theory, but also we'll be doing it practically, and these techniques will make sure that your presentation of answers will be better, thereby you're going to get better marks. And already hundreds of students have followed my techniques through my video classes and they have done well in the exam. So in these 2 days, you will be getting all of that, and these 2 days, I don't want you to miss it. I will make sure that you follow all these techniques, and we are going to have a WhatsApp group where you will be monitored and made sure that you are following what I'm telling. So you will be getting complete support. So for this 2 days program, by the end of this 2 days program, you will be confident to face the exam, your efficiency of studies will improve and your productivity will be increased. Yes, instead of looking at hundreds of multiple videos and different books and different Telegram groups, I am going to give you one-stop solution, one source where all the techniques, all the strategies will be shared with you in these 2 days. So don't miss this. If you have the desire to do well in December exam, this is the solution for you. What you have to do is very simple. There is a Google form in the description below. Just fill that Google form. We'll tell you what else you have to do later about the WhatsApp group. Everything we'll do once we get the information from you that you have confirmed to join. This is very important. We just don't want this everyone to come and waste the time. Once you give the details, we'll give you the further steps what to do. So just go to the description below, fill the Google form. We'll get back to you how you can attend this on September 19th and 20th, that is Saturday, Sunday. If you're sure you want to do well in December exam, I know I can help you, and already hundreds of students have got the benefit with my strategies. So make sure that if you're writing December exam, you are not going to miss this class. Fill the Google form right now and join me for the weekend class where we will be telling you all the strategies and all the tips to make sure that 3 months per exam which you have, you will feel you have 6 months. You can complete the syllabus, you can complete 2 revisions and go to the exams with complete confidence. So I will be waiting to see you in the weekend class. For the first step, please fill the Google form, other details will follow. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Make sure that you clear December 2020 CS exams. Now finally, if you still feel there is something to lose, let me tell there is nothing to lose. It is just 4 sessions of about 1 hour, 1.5 hours each, and that will change your entire result for December 2020. So don't miss this. Fill the Google form. I'll see you, and all the best for the exam.